Thank you. Hello. First of all, I would like to introduce a little bit myself. My name is Muzaffer Duysal. I'm an electrical electronics engineer. I am also CEO of Grizu Space Systems Company. Today, I'm going to present Turkey's first PocketQube satellite, which name is Grizu-263A. I would like to talk about journey of Grizu-263 team, PocketQube, and vision of Grizu Space Systems Company. Sorry. Here is the content of my presentation. Firstly, I will mention about the team background, and then who are the team. And after that, mission overview, subsystems, design of our PocketQubes, and then who are the stakeholders, our stakeholders. And when it comes to ground station, we will continue the environmental tests like EMC and vibration test. And finally, I will mention that launch and space systems, Grizu Space Systems, new vision. At this point now, Grizu-263, what's the meaning of Grizu? And why are we saying 263 like a complex number? Grizu-263 team have been established in Zonguldak, Turkey. Turkey has many mines. There was a big explosion in the mine in 1992 in Zonguldak, which name is Grizu. 263 miners have died after this explosion. We have decided to honor their memory, our team and satellite name. Moreover, we have placed their name on the flight software on the onboard computer subsystem. When it comes to our background, team background, we have started with competition in these two PocketQube area. We have joined CanSat Model Satellite Competition, which is the most prestigious competition organized by American Astronautical Society and sponsored by NASA, Lockheed Martin, US Naval Research Laboratory. And then we have 2 times second place awards and 2 times fourth place awards. After that, we have first place on the Turkish Model Satellite Competition. After all of these achievements, we have decided to join a PocketQube adventure. Here is our team. As you know, teamwork is a highly important issue, especially for a satellite project. We have accomplished the PocketQube project life cycle by working hard with teammates. When it comes to mission overview, in this project, our first goal is to accomplish the PocketQube project life cycle because there are many procedures such as ITU regulations and launcher procedures, environmental tests like that. These processes can take your time and faced with some problems. Due to these factors, we started with uncomplex PocketQube system to learn processes of PocketQube project lifecycle. We have produced 1P PocketQube. Our payload are initial measurement sensors and passive magnetic control subsystem. We aim to reach synchronous orbit 500 kilometers by Alba Orbital and Exolaunch and SpaceX companies. Our satellite final mass is 232 grams. As you can see, our satellite image Grizu-263A. As you can see in the subsystem of our satellite, Grizu-263A PocketQube consists 4 subsystems. One of them is electrical power subsystem, onboard computer subsystem, communication subsystem, and passive magnetic control subsystem. In this slide, mechanical design and left hand side is you can see our cat drum, the final design, and right side is currently final design. It's manufactured the phase. As you can see, the antennas and PMAX is located on top of our satellite. These are hysteresis rod for PMAX to stabilization our satellites. We have merged onboard computer and communication subsystem on the one PCB card, as you can see that. And then electrical power subsystem, batteries, and the last card, last PCB is like the battery protection circuit. I will mention about satellite specification. We have used the STM series microprocessors for onboard computer. We have used RS-485 data bus to communicate subsystems with each other. We use hysteresis materials for passive magnetic control subsystems and LoRa module for communication subsystems, and ENA sensors for electrical power subsystems, and MSP series microprocessor for electrical power subsystems. We will share more information about satellites as an article after the launch. As you can see on the right side, our final cat drum, and the left-hand side is our current final design, the Grizu-263A. Also, I would like to share our mock-up 1P Grizu-263A. Now we will continue. When it comes to environmental tests like electromagnetic compatibility tests, we have accomplishment the electrical magnetic compatibility test. We have accomplished the EMC test in the Turkish Aerospace Assembly Integration and Test Center according to SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket requirements. When it comes to vibration test it has been completed successfully in Istanbul Technical University Mechanical Engineering Faculty Vibration Test Laboratory according to SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket requirements. When it comes to our ground station, we have been taking data from satellite correctly. Also, we have started to develop our ground station since starting of the project. As you can see on the image, ground station has been completed successfully. Our ground station has two antennas, one of them is UHF and VHF. The next slide, as you can see our ground station data. We have been taking data from satellites correctly. For example, on the left side, you can see the NOAA images that we took thanks to ground station. And by the way, after the launch, we will share the data of our satellite and all of the all other satellites on the Grizu website. If you want the data for satellites, you can feel free to contact with us. As you can see, lifetime analysis, the result of our lifetime analysis, satellite will be decent within 4 years. When it comes to space ticket, as you know, create awareness about satellite project is really crucial. In order to create awareness, we have also space ticket campaign. 5,000 people has applied until now. These are our stakeholders. Our main supporters are Zonguldak Bülent Ecevit University and Erdemir companies. At this point, we thank to Professor Alim Rüstem Aslan and Pro Boğaç Karabulut from the Istanbul Technical University Space System Design and Test Laboratory. We thank to Turkish Aerospace Space Systems Department, especially AIT Center providing test facility us. And TAMSAT and TREC, Turkish Amateur Radio Union, Radio Amateur Union, helped us regarding to ground station design. And that point, I would like to thank Aziz Şuat Tortu, Barış Dinç, Tahir Cengiz, and Şahin Külik. Finally, special thanks to Mehmet Şevket Ulda from TÜ Delft for encouraging always us. When it comes to launch, as far as I know, launch will be on January 2022 with SpaceX Falcon 9 rockets. We are really appreciated to Alba Orbital and Exo launch companies for support. We are ready for launch. We are so excited. And when it comes to our new journey, Grizu Space Systems Company, I'm excited to share Grizu Space System, our new adventure. That point, what's our products? We will produce 1P PocketQubes, and now it's verified for launch and ready for sales. And we are working on the 2P PocketQube bus and 3P PocketQube. Feasibility studies are ongoing. And solar panels and ground station, we can also provide a ground station data or even establishment the ground station such as UHF, VHF, or S-bands. And Grizu Space Kit IoT-based constellation. When it comes to solar panels, we can provide solar panels from 10 watts to 2 kilowatts. These solar panels has 32% efficient beginning of the life value, and it's verified according to ESA standards. When it comes to IoT constellation, we are working on LEO PocketQube constellation based on Internet of Things. As you know, in 2025, 25 billion objects in the world are expected to be connected directly to the internet. Therefore, this area, one of the important technologies of the future. Usage areas: agriculture, farming, transportation, fuel station tracks, ship track. We are focused on mentioned areas. Our IoT constellation feasibility are ongoing. As you can see, our feasibility studies. And finally, we are working on the Grizu Space Kit. We believe that satellite training is very important, the development of the satellite industry. We are willing to teach space and satellite education to high school and universities. Our Grizu Space Kit consists for parts. One of them is 1P PocketQube kit and satellites, and ground station and core software interface, and documents such as user guides, user manuals, and different experiments for the space kits. We will launch the Grizu Space Kit next month. Thank you for your attention. If you have a question, contact for me with via our email address and our website. We will launch our website next month, and the other social media. Thank you very much for your attention and listening to me.